Hey you guys, and welcome back. Today I actually wanted to do a video on Focallure. I think that's how you pronounce their name. Focallure actually sent me a bunch of makeup to test out in a video. They sent it to me before I left on my trip to Ireland, but I actually have not tried anything yet. I wanted to wait and test everything for the first time on camera. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and let's just go ahead and get started. I'm still recovering from my cold that I picked up in Ireland, which kind of sucks. So I'm drinking a ton of like hot water right now. I'm gonna go through everything that they sent me first, and then maybe I'll just zoom up and we can start applying the things. So they sent me their Sculpt Glow powder, contour, and highlight palette duo. Got the shade Maui Nights and Opal. Comes with like a nice mirror in there. They also sent me their Superstar highlighter palette. It looks a little bit childish. They also sent me their Sunrise Impressionism 16 pan eyeshadow palette. This is such pretty packaging. Have not swatched these yet at all. It looks really beautiful. I think this one is like a cream. I don't really know what that is. Maybe it's like a base or something that you're supposed to use. All the colors look really beautiful. I got really strong like bridal vibes from this palette. Like I felt like everything here would look beautiful on a bride. And then they sent me 3 of their liquid lipsticks. So I got the shade Burgundy, Chestnut, and Deep Chestnut. So yeah, that's everything. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying these. I think I'm gonna start with my eyes and go on from there. I'm gonna zoom you guys up a little bit. I don't have a base on my eyelids yet, so I'm just going to use some of my Wet n Wild concealer. I don't always use an eyeshadow base. I think that I'm gonna use it in this video just in case. Whenever I zoom up on my face, my eyebrows look so dark. Scary. So let's hop into the Sunrise palette. I think I'm gonna start with this shade right here, which is called Give Me Mocha. It's like their matte brown. Ooh, really decently pigmented. I have no idea what eye look I'm doing. I feel like I never plan these videos out very well. Like whenever I'm testing out new products, I kind of just start without a look in mind. I think I want to deepen that up a little bit with Himalayan Orange, which is this shade right here. I don't know if this will deepen it or just brighten up the crease a little bit. They're blending out really nicely. Like I'm not having any difficulty with the pigmentation or the blendability of these shades. Just like seamlessly blending into my crease. Smaller blending brush. This is just from e.l.f. It's a little dirty, but whatever. And I'm going to take the shade Chocolate Martini, which is this brown. It has a little bit of sparkle in it, but it's pretty much a matte. It's kind of like a burgundy brown actually. And I'm going to use this on the outer corner. If it's not deep enough, I might go into the purple shade beside it. So like I mentioned, it does have sparkles in the pan, but once it's blended onto your lids, it just is like a matte burgundy brown. I think for my lid shade, ooh, I can't decide. I might try and go in with Pinwheel Galaxy, but if I don't like that shade, these are kind of cool. They're like marble almost, but I want to try Pinwheel Galaxy and see how the pink looks. For the most part, I apply shimmers with my finger. I just find that that works best for me, but I don't know, like you could probably use a brush with your shimmer shades. I just prefer to use my finger because I don't really care if it's not precise or anything like that. It's not super vibrant. This glitter isn't that intense, but it is really pretty. And it has like this kind of like speckled, sparkled look, which I really like. There's just certain glitters that are kind of standing out. It doesn't look fully opaque, which I actually kind of like having that speckled glitter look is, I think, really beautiful. I think I'm gonna try the champagne color, this one right here in my, this one right here in my inner corner. I'm actually gonna take this same brush, like this fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into Pop of Copper right here. It's another marble glitter shade, and I'm going to use the brush and apply this on the outer corner of my eye because I just want it to be a little bit deeper. on the outside. Like with glitter, I want the glitter to be a little bit deeper on the outside. And I think I'm actually gonna go into Latte Please, which was that plum that I had talked about earlier. Again, this is kind of like a satin shade. Like it looks like it's got a little bit of glitter in it, but I'm sure it's gonna turn out matte. And I'm just going to use it again on that outer corner to deepen it up. I really don't like it when eyeshadow palettes don't come with a black, just because I feel like I always need a little bit of like black in my outer corner, or just like a really, really dark brown. So when palettes are so light, I just find it hard to get that like sultry outer corner that I like when I'm wearing eyeshadow. I am like debating eyeliner, but I don't really want to do it. Anyway, I am going to pop off camera. I might do a wing, I might not, but I will apply my foundation and setting powder, and then I'll come back in to test out the face products that I used. So I did end up applying eyeliner. It's not the greatest. And then I applied my Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation with a little bit of my Wet n Wild concealer under my eyes. I've been using such like a small amount of concealer lately, so I really did like 2 dots under my eyes and just blended them out, so you can probably still see my dark circles, but that's the way I like it these days. And then I set my face with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. I did want to apply a blush, so I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. This is a very like pigmented and intense blush, so I want to tap off as much as I can and go very light on this one. I know this is a weird order to do my makeup. I don't usually do my blush first unless it's the only thing I'm going to be wearing on my cheeks. Then I'm going to go in with the Sculpt and Glow. I'm going to start off with the contour shade. Don't actually like contouring my cheeks that much. I really should, because I have like the chubbiest cheeks in the world. This is really ashy on me. I probably picked the wrong shade. Oh my god, I haven't contoured in like forever. I just don't even know how to do it anymore. Did I ever know how to do it? I don't know. Blend like this upwards into the blush. I don't know how it's looking on camera, but it seemed to blend out really nicely. Like it's looking pretty flawless in person. Yeah, this side, it seems to be showing up a bit better with the lighting. I probably needed to pick up a shade that was slightly warmer. Like this might work for me in the winter when I lose my tan and I'm more pale, but probably for the summer, this is too much of like an ashy shade and it's going to look muddy on my skin. This is why I don't wear contour products, because I feel like it's so hard to get them right, you know? Okay, so that is that. It blended out really nicely. Like the formula was very smooth and almost like buttery, but the color probably not for me. If you had a paler skin tone, or if you had more of like a neutral or cooler undertone, you probably would like this shade more. I want to go in with this highlighter from this little duo here, but I also want to use the other highlighter. Actually, why don't I'm gonna use it, and then I will go in with a couple shades from the other one as well. We're just gonna be very highlighted today. I had already swatched the shade because I just wanted to see how it looks. It does look kind of subtle. Oh, never mind. It's not subtle. I've started really liking like emphasizing my chubby cheeks, so I like to put highlighter here now, which I know is not like the rule of makeup. Like you don't want to look highlighted in this area, but I don't know, I kind of like the way my cheeks look when that part is highlighted. That's really beautiful. It's like a super smooth and like seamless highlighter. Like that just looks so nice. It doesn't look gritty or glittery or anything. I'm gonna stop there because I want to go in with the other highlighter product, but wow. That's stunning. That's a beautiful, beautiful shade. From the other highlighting palette, I don't know. I think maybe I'm going to try this shade right here. This is like the gold shade. It has like the little star in it. Let's try this on my nose. Oh, that's quite powdery, but it looks nice on the skin. I also know people don't like highlighting their chin. I actually like to highlight my chin. I know it's weird, but it kind of makes me look more naturally glowy versus just having like the glow on your cheeks where it clearly looks like highlighter. This kind of makes it look like I am sweaty. I think I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the white. It's like a white pink, and I'm just going to use it on the very like tops of my cheekbones, like right here. Just to see. Oh, that is intense. Like I probably would not wear this one to work. It's a very intense highlighter that just like took it to the next highlighted level. And above my brow. Wow, that is really intense. I'm not disappointed with anything so far. Oh, the one thing that I'm not a fan of is the glitter on my eyes is like transferring all onto my cheeks. I probably should have used like a glitter glue. They look beautiful on my lids. It's just that it's transferring onto my cheeks. But everything else I'm really, really liking. I like how the skin turned out. I like how the eyes turned out. I'm gonna finish them up now, but highlighter looks so, so nice on my skin. I can't get over it. Okay, I'm just gonna set my face with my Maybelline Superstay setting powder. I look super greasy right now. I'm just gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna pop back in and we'll finish off the eyes and then we'll try the lips. I zoomed you guys back up. We're gonna finish off the lower lash line. I am going to use my eyeliner. This is just from Annabelle. It's their waterproof pencil liner. And then I think I'm going to take the shade Latte Please Again, which was that plummy brown. I'm going to see if I can smudge out that black liner. Okay, and then to just, wow, I look really dark. I haven't worn this much makeup in forever. I think I'm going to just kind of brighten it up a little bit with Himalayan Orange, just very lightly, because I don't want it to be too warm. But I want it to be a little bit more of like a gradient under there. And I think I want to add a little bit more of champagne to the lower lash line. It's like right there. It already looks kind of sparkly under there, so thought I would just do that. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my mascara, and then I'll be right back. The mascara didn't really do a good job over the eyeliner, but I didn't really feel like putting on falsies today. I'm pretty happy with it. I actually think it was a beautiful palette. Like, I don't know if the glitter is showing up on camera, but the glitter is so beautiful. Next time would use a glitter primer though, because of all the fallout that I got. Like I said, the matte shades were nice as well. So yeah, that's the eyes. So let's zoom out and do the lips. I do have 3 shades. I think I should try them all on just to show you guys. I don't know which one will look the best with this eye look. Let's start with Chestnut, and we can at least see how the formula feels. Oh, it smells like chocolate. I don't know if I really like that smell. So that's Chestnut. Actually, Chestnut doesn't look too bad with this eye look. Ooh, it's sticky, so I hope that means it's gonna dry down. Let's just give it like a couple minutes and see how it dries down. It's super pigmented, it's not streaky at all. By the way, I recently got like a new freckle or beauty mark right by my lip. I don't know where that came from. It just arrived. Every summer I get like a new freckle, so I don't know where that one came from. I like this color. I might put it back on towards the end of the video. That's the color up close. Really, really pretty, I think. It looks really nice. It's like perfect for every day. Not transferring at all, so that dried down really fast. Yeah, that's like drying down really quickly. Let's try Deep Chestnut now. Okay, this one is right up my alley of colors that I really like. It's kind of like a terracotta, perfect mix of brown and red. I really like it. I actually think it works with this eye look. I don't know, you guys might think differently. Let me zoom you up. I might put this one actually back on at the end of the video. I feel like I'll be wearing this one a lot in the fall. I don't know how these wear throughout the day yet, so I will obviously be testing that out, and I will let you guys know, and I'll update you on how it lasts. Okay, I'm just gonna keep you guys zoomed in while I test out Burgundy. I don't think I'm gonna like this shade. I'm just kind of over dark purpley plums. This is dark and purpley and plum. Like I said, I'm kind of over these shades. I don't think I've worn a shade this dark in a very long time. It is a beautiful color. I do really like the color. I just don't like it on me anymore. I did do about 2 layers of this one because it felt like it was a bit streaky after the first layer. And it's nice, it's just not one of my favorite shades. So I just went ahead and popped Deep Chestnut back on for the finished look. That is Focallure. I hope I am saying their name right. Let's just do a quick review of like everything that I tried. I'll give you guys like my final, well, sort of my final thoughts. First of all, the eyeshadow palette I thought was really nice. I didn't use all the shades obviously, but the ones that I used, the mattes, were super easy to blend. They were really nicely pigmented. The 2 shimmers that I used were also beautiful. Actually, I also used this one as well. Very glittery, so I probably use some type of like glitter glue or a better primer, but the actual effect on the eyes is beautiful. It's such a stunning palette. Like I said, it just reminds me of a bride. The Sculpt and Glow, the contour was smooth and easy to blend. I just don't think the color worked for me. I love this highlighter though. This highlighter is so nice. I know I layered the other one on top, but it's so good. I love the highlighter so much. I can't get over how pretty that looked on my skin. It just looks so smooth and non-gritty. This palette, like their highlighting palette, I did only try 2 of the shades, but let's just swatch this like gold shade right here. Ooh, that's pretty. They feel really nice and smooth. Oh, that's also beautiful. Like I said, that white one has like a pink undertone to it, and then this is the champagne, which I used and really liked. So yeah, really nice. Like they're very smooth, they're very creamy. They have this beautiful reflection to them that doesn't look like glitter. I don't know if it's showing up on camera how like reflective it is, but how like naturally reflective these colors are. But they are stunning. Like they look really nice. And the 3 liquid lipsticks that I tried, definitely my favorite was Deep Chestnut. It's the one that I left on my lips. They dried down, they don't transfer. I don't know how they wear throughout the day, so I will let you guys know once I've tested them out. That is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've tried this brand, let me know. I haven't seen that much about it, so I don't really know too much about the brand as a whole. But if you have tried it, let me know your thoughts. Other than that, thank you guys as always for watching. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos, and I'll see you in my next one.